Hello, today we will guide you through how to remix duplicate web app project in Lovable Dev. To begin, open Lovable Dev and go to the dashboard, which is the home area where your available projects are listed. This is the main place you'll use to manage existing apps, explore templates, and create variations of projects. If you already have access to the workspace, you should be able to see your project cards or sample apps displayed on this page. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the sample project you want to duplicate. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct project, especially if your workspace contains several apps with similar names or layouts. The sample project is the one that will be used as the starting point for your remix version, so it's worth confirming before you continue. After locating the sample project, move to the three-dot menu on that project card. This menu usually contains additional actions and settings related to the project. Click the three dots to open the options menu. If you don't see it right away, hover over the project card and look carefully in the corner of the card where action menus are commonly placed. From the menu that appears, click on Remix. In Lovable Dev, the Remix option is used to create a copy of the existing web app project so you can work on a separate version without changing the original. This is especially helpful when you want to test ideas, customize a template, or build a new variation based on an existing project structure. Next, enter a name for the sample. Choose a clear and recognizable project name so it's easy to identify later in your dashboard. A simple naming style, such as adding a version label or purpose to the original name, can make project management much easier as your workspace grows. Once you've entered the new project name, click Remix to finish the process. This confirms the duplication and tells Lovable Dev to generate your copied project. Depending on the platform's response time, it may take a few moments for the remixed app to appear in your project list. After that, your duplicated web app project should be ready to use. You can then open it and begin editing independently of the original version. This is a quick and efficient way to create a reusable starting point for development, testing, or experimentation inside Lovable Dev. That's it for this guide on remixing or duplicating a web app project in Lovable Dev.